This world is full of words, full of thoughts, full of voices. And yet there's only one word that claims to be eternal, one word that claims to be truth, one word captured in a book that is so often overlooked. One word that walked on this earth, fulfilling its very own purpose, a great mystery, a reconciliation story. Long kept in secret, the word became flesh. The highest power, the Most High, made peace. Emmanuel, God with us, reconciling creation with himself, long foretold by prophets and in sacred scrolls, through the blood of Yeshua, love's ultimate toll. A call in the wilderness, repent and believe, and you will be saved. Will you answer? Amidst the roar of the world, can you hear the whisper of truth? This world is full of words, full of thoughts, and full of voices. You choose which voice to follow.